Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing or unbagging the Liveglam May box. I got this the other day, but I am been so busy. I've been purse washing the house and like all got extra cleaning and stuff, and I haven't had time to open my mail. I went ahead and split the top so I didn't have to do it on camera, so I could go ahead and have that out of the way. But a little about Liveglam before we get started. It is a monthly subscription. They have the Morphe, then they have an eyeshadow one that you get an eyeshadow palette, or they have the one that you can get the lippies. You get 3 lippies a month, and which I think it's like liquid lipsticks. I've only tried this one. I like Morphe brushes, so and this is a good way to get your collection up. And it is $19.99 a month, and you get between 3 to 7 brushes in your bag. You always get about $30 worth of brushes. Okay, so here's our cute little card. Enchanted Dreams is the theme. I'm not going to look at the back because I don't want to know the brushes until we get them out of the bag. I'll find out with you guys. Okay, so the first brush is a contour brush. It is flat. Okay, so it is the Morphe E55. I've got a few contour brushes from them, but now this one kind of matches the set we got. Not last month. Last month we got the, like, with the little rose gold, but with this design. So I'm really happy to get these because it goes in with a set. And this one's just like a thin contour. And let me see. Like, I have a thick one. And then I have a little short, thick one. And I have a bigger one, and I have shorter ones. I don't know. They come in all sizes, but I really like getting these. This one right here would be really good for your nose. Oh, and it feels incredible. It feels different than this one. This one like feels like really, really good. Like, I didn't contour my nose today. I might do this later. Okay, so that's our first brush. Okay, so our second brush is the E12 Pointed Foundation Brush. And it's in the same set too. It's because these sets are like darker right here instead of like normally Morphe's like this. This set it's got the darker, and then the like it just shaped different because normal is like this. Okay, so I don't know about using this as a foundation brush. Looking at this, because you can use brushes for whatever your heart desires, I could see myself using this to contour with, or maybe blush. Just thinking, you know, there's like so much you could do. Okay, so I like that. I like having different brushes. Okay, so our next brush is a mini detailed contour brush. So what is it about contouring this month? Because we already got the flat one. Okay, so it was the E45, and right there it is. It's just like a little flat right here, and that'd be like good to buff out right here. That'd be good to put concealer on, or set like right under the eyes, or you're in a hurry, one swap eyeshadow, anything. Like I said, highlight, that would be a really good highlight brush for the way it's flat. Okay, and so far they're all from the same collection. That don't always happen, but I like that because not last month, the month before, we got the collection. Okay, so this is like totally different. I need a new fan brush, but not like this. So this one is the E40 eyelash fan brush. Eyelash. Okay, So right here she is. Not very big. Like, eyelashes. I don't know. Now I can see like highlighting with this. I really don't see me using it on my eyes. Like maybe highlight, like maybe about 500 highlighters. You think it'd be easy to find one? Okay, so let's grab this one by Hard Candy, and let's go in with these. Just swirl it in there, and like, look there. Whoa. And not like I don't got enough on, and it's pretty stiff too. Just better match this side up. Okay, so I will use this. Oh, I put my highlight on this morning, and I used let me get it. So I used this as a base for my highlight, and it's a cream, and it's called Halo. It's a DuPont, and okay, so I went to use this, and then I went to put a powder over top of it. My highlight was popping so bad, it was not funny. I had to take a powder brush, and I had to tone that bitch down, because it was like, whoo, in your face. Okay, so actually, that's all the brushes we got. We got 4 brushes, which I'm happy with. I don't know the prices. Normally, I do look them up, but this time I didn't get to, because I'm like just super, super busy. But I can see myself getting a lot of use out of this brush. Even probably this brush, I'll probably contour with this. Or maybe like a little bit of blush. I don't know. And I can't wait to try this guy out. And I'll probably get a lot of use out of this. And I will leave, if you want to try Liveglam for yourself, I will leave the link down below in the description box. I think it was like, because everybody's got a code that goes on like any description box, but I think it is like, you get a free brush and I get a free brush, is what I thought, but now I don't think it really works that way. You get a free brush and I get points. And that's like goes for anybody, because I thought it was like you got a brush and I got a brush, but no, not really. You get like 200 points for everybody that signs up. But Liveglam is one of my favorite subscriptions, and like I've got so many Morphe brushes now, it ain't funny, and like it's all kinds of different ones. I have got a few contour brushes. I don't even think I've been with them. It's not been a year yet, but I'm really happy with them. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.